Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough. If you're ready to kickstart your journey to online income without breaking the bank, then you're in the right place. Listen, I get it. Starting an online business can seem daunting, especially if you're on a tight budget. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm covering the top 5 online business models for beginners in 2024 that require minimal investment. These business models are not only accessible but also beginner-friendly, so grab a notebook and let's dive in. First up is dropshipping. Now, you might be thinking dropshipping? Isn't that so 2018? And yeah, it's been around for a while, but there's a reason for that. It works. And it's still one of the best ways to start an online business with very little upfront cost. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about storing or shipping products. That's right, no more packing boxes in your basement at 2 a.m. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, and this is easier than you think with platforms like Shopify. You don't need to be a tech whiz, I promise. Once your store is up, you choose products from suppliers. Think about what kind of niche you're interested in, whether it's fitness, beauty, gadgets, whatever. Find suppliers who offer dropshipping and list their products on your store. Now here's the magic of dropshipping. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You act as the middleman, connecting customers with products and keeping the profit margin. This means you don't hold any inventory yourself. No more worrying about storage space, packing materials, or shipping logistics. It's all handled for you. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can test different products and niches without risking a ton of money. Your main focus is on marketing and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can test different products and niches without risking a ton of money. You don't have to buy inventory up front, so you can experiment and see what sells best. Plus, you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Imagine running your business from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. That's the power of dropshipping. But wait, there's more to it. You need to do your homework. Research your suppliers thoroughly. Look for reviews and ratings to ensure they are reliable. Compare prices and shipping times. You want to offer competitive prices and reasonable delivery times to your customers. And don't forget about marketing. A solid marketing plan can make or break your dropshipping business. Utilize social media platforms, SEO, and paid ads to drive traffic to your store. Keep an eye on your analytics. Track what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Customer service is crucial. Respond to inquiries promptly and handle any issues with care. Happy customers are repeat customers, and they can also bring in new customers through word of mouth. Dropshipping can be a rewarding venture if done right. It offers flexibility, low risk, and the potential for significant profit. So if you're looking to start an online business without the hassle of inventory, dropshipping might just be the perfect option for you. Give it a try, and who knows? You might just find your niche and build a successful online store. Happy dropshipping! Next up is freelancing. Now this is a business model that's close to my heart because it's how I got my start online. Freelancing offers a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and turn them into a profitable venture. If you have any skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, you can start freelancing with almost zero upfront cost. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to monetize your existing talents without needing significant investment. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? Identifying your strengths is the first step towards building a successful freelance career. Chances are, you have a skill that others are willing to pay for. Whether it's creating stunning visuals, crafting compelling content, or managing social media accounts, there's a market for your expertise. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere. Imagine working from a serene park, a bustling coffee shop, or even a cozy corner of your home. You're not tied to an office or a 9-to-5 grind. Freelancing offers the flexibility to design your workday around your life, not the other way around. You have the freedom and flexibility to set your own hours and work from wherever you want. This level of autonomy is one of the most appealing aspects of freelancing. To get started, create a portfolio showcasing your best work. A well-curated portfolio is essential in attracting potential clients and demonstrating your capabilities. This could be a website, a PDF, or even just a collection of your work on a platform like Behance or Contently. Make sure your portfolio highlights your strengths and showcases a variety of your best projects. Then, start reaching out to potential clients. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Be proactive in seeking them out. There are tons of freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru where you can find work. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills, making it easier to find your first gigs. Don't be afraid to network and reach out to people you know. Sometimes the best opportunities come from personal connections and word-of-mouth referrals. You never know who might need your skills. Networking can open doors to new projects and collaborations that you might not have found otherwise. Remember, building a successful freelance business takes time and effort. It's a journey that requires patience and persistence. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There will be late nights and challenging projects, but the rewards are worth it. But with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can build a sustainable income stream doing what you love. Continuously improving your skills and staying updated with industry trends will keep you competitive. And the best part is, as you gain experience and build a reputation, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Your income potential grows as you establish yourself as an expert in your field. You're in control of your income potential. The more you invest in your skills and your business, the more you can earn. Freelancing truly allows you to turn your skills into a thriving career. The third business model is print on demand. This one is perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Similar to dropshipping, you don't hold inventory, but instead, you create custom designs that get printed on products only when a customer orders them. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. The possibilities are endless. You come up with the design, and a print-on-demand company handles the rest: production, fulfillment, and shipping. This means you don't need to invest in expensive printing equipment or hold any stock. You only pay for the product when you make a sale. Platforms like Printful and Printify make it incredibly easy to get started with print on demand. They integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, making it a breeze to set up your store and start selling. The key to success with print on demand is to create unique and eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Think about what kind of designs people would be proud to wear or display. You can tap into trending topics, niche interests, or even create designs based on your own artwork or photography. And just like with dropshipping, you can experiment with different designs and products without risking a lot of money. This allows you to test the market and see what sells best. Next is affiliate marketing. This model involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate links. Essentially, you act as a middleman, connecting potential customers with products they might love. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income once your links are up. Imagine waking up to find you've made money overnight. Here's how it works. You find a product or service you love and recommend it to your audience. This could be anything from tech gadgets to beauty products or even online courses. You sign up for their affiliate program and they give you a unique link to share. This link tracks any sales back to you. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The percentage can vary, but it's often quite generous. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product, handle customer service, or worry about fulfillment. All the heavy lifting is done by the company whose product you're promoting. Your job is to simply recommend products you believe in and drive traffic to your affiliate links. This can be done through various means. You can promote affiliate products through various channels such as your blog, social media, email list, or even YouTube videos. Each platform has its own strengths and can help you reach different segments of your audience. The key is to create valuable content that educates your audience and helps them make informed purchasing decisions. This builds trust and makes them more likely to buy through your links. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is affiliate marketing legit? Can you really make money from it? And the answer is yes, absolutely. It's a proven business model that has been around for years. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry and countless people are earning a significant income through affiliate marketing. The potential is enormous if you approach it the right way. But here's the thing, it's not about slapping affiliate links all over the place and hoping for the best. That approach rarely works and can even turn your audience away. You need to be strategic, build trust with your audience, and genuinely recommend products that you believe in. Authenticity is key. When your audience trusts you, they are more likely to follow your recommendations. So take the time to understand your audience's needs and preferences. Choose products that align with their interests and provide real value. This way, you not only earn commissions, but also build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations. Last but not least, we have digital products. This is the ultimate form of passive income because once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without additional effort. It's like printing money while you sleep. Digital products can be anything from ebooks and online courses to templates, printables, and software. Think about your skills and knowledge. What can you teach others? What problems can you help them solve? Once you have an idea for a digital product, it's time to create it. This is where you put in the work upfront. But trust me, it's worth it. Once your product is ready, you can sell it through your website, online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, or even through social media. The beauty of digital products is that there are no shipping costs or inventory to manage. It's all delivered digitally, making it a scalable and profitable business model. Plus, you have complete control over your pricing and marketing. You can create different pricing tiers, offer bundles, or even run promotions to boost sales. And the best part is you can continue to earn passive income from your digital products for years to come. It's a true asset that can generate income long after you've created it. So there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly online business models for 2024 that don't require a huge budget. Whether you're interested in freelancing, dropshipping, or creating digital products, each of these has the potential to grow into a full-fledged business. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't let analysis paralysis hold you back. Choose one business model that resonates with you and start today. Consistency and learning are key. The online business world is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. And let me know in the comments which business model you're most excited to try.